Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. In today's video, we jump straight back into ICP. Now, before we do get into it, we are on our journey to 10k subs. We are 1.8k away. So if you're not already part of the family, then please do me a favor by dropping a like and dropping a sub. Let's get it. What is cracking, everybody? Happy Saturday. I am very excited today, guys, because later on today, I'm going to be heading up to Manchester to watch the UFC live and direct. If you're a UFC fan, let me know in the comments.
Don't say I couldn't come back and do it. There is no ring rust. I told you that already. Now look at me now. The champion of the world, soldier. The champion of the world. Champion of the world. Look at me now.
Now, as we always do, let's start with our affirmation of the day. The mind is everything. What you think, you become. Now, guys, I am a super strong believer of this. I'm a strong believer of speaking your goals out into existence, telling people your goals, and holding yourself accountable, guys. Too many people are on the fence when it comes to speaking out what they actually truly desire, guys. So again, none of this like, I hope so, I think this will happen, maybe this will happen. No, it will happen. I am going to do this. I will achieve this, guys. Please make sure that you change the way you think and speak, because your speech pattern is more powerful than you believe. Now, guys, we got the Bitcoin conference, went live yesterday. We got Donald Trump speaking today. I think there's going to be a lot of pro-Bitcoin stuff to do with the election going on. So the market is going to react. The market's going to react how it reacts, right? I mean, it reacted very, very positively yesterday. Myself and the members, we actually did enter a trade. So if you want to be part of the private community, remember, it only starts from like 25 quid a month. It is basically nothing. We had a lovely hedge Ethereum short that we have closed right now. Very successful trade. We're getting into another one now, preparing for the breakout for Bitcoin, and then many more to come after that. So if you want to be part of the private community, again, you guys can go and check out the Patreon link in the pinned comment and description. BlackRock just invested 1 billion in the DeFi sector. They're pumping money into multiple RWA projects, but no one is currently talking about it. And again, there's a little thread here of all the different RWA projects that they are pumping into. And now, look, ICP, I made a video the other day saying, is it the best kept secret? Some of you guys said it is not a secret at all. However, there are still so many people that don't know the power of ICP, and they're investing in these shit chains, in these shit coins, and they're saying this is going to be the one, right? We already know that ICP covers pretty much all sectors, right? When we open this up, guys, you can see that we are having a massive reversal candle that we are in the middle of right now. That's going to close next week. Okay, we're coming towards the end of July. This is super bullish, guys. If we can break out and we can start to tackle the all-time highs, we're going to have a target, which we'll get into in just a second, of around 85k for Bitcoin. When you look at charts like this, guys, I mean, look at that wick from that bounce. That is super bullish for Bitcoin. And remember, we need to be tracking Bitcoin, because as much as we don't like it, it still is the market leader. So we need Bitcoin to go first, then Ethereum, and then all of our altcoins. Unfortunately, ICP is not going to be having its own bull market in its own time. It still will need Bitcoin to start to break all-time highs. And I know that can be annoying, but that's why we have to track Bitcoin. But remember, we're getting very close. And yes, I show you guys this all the time, because we're going to look back at these times and we're going to say, holy crap, good thing we were taking action. You open up the chart and look where we are, similar to 2014, 2015, 2019, 2020. We're pretty much mirroring it in 2023 and 2024. The altcoins are about to go super parabolic. We've got a long way to go to the all-time high, guys. So this is super bullish for ICP. Now, ICP has the highest transactions per second. What are all these other blockchains doing? At least Sol's trying. Now, Sol's trying because pretty much everyone's creating a shitcoin. Everyone is trading shitcoins, right? Solana has been like the Ethereum of this cycle. Everybody's starting to find out about Solana, and they're saying, oh my God, this is so amazing. It doesn't make a difference, because ICP will always smoke Solana. And you can see here the TPS versus Sol versus all other chains. Tron is a big one. Ton has been a massive gainer of this cycle. Polygon, massive in last cycle. BNB, always going to be big. Base, massive gainer of this cycle. It looks like they are doing absolutely FA, guys. Okay, that is the power of ICP. And for all of you guys to remember, we look at this little gif here time after time after time, and this just really is how ICP does fare against all other blockchains. I mean, Sol's trying to keep up, can't keep up. ICP pretty much 100% uptime This is why we invest into ICP. And people say, well, Solana's got DeFi. When they say ICP has no DeFi, you can show them this graph. In 2023, you only had 2.9 million TVL. 1 year later, that number has surged to 70 million. Now, when you open this up, this is only a fraction of the lockups, guys, but you can see that we are making our way up to $100 million in TVL. While ICP is still at cycle lows, we're still only at $9 right now, guys. We're back in single digits. We've been buying this from double digits. We bought it all the way down to $4, up again to 15, back down to $4. We're back at 9, guys, and the stats keep improving. We come to our Bitcoin chart, you can see we're going to have resistance at around 68,900, nearly 69,000, guys. And we've had our lovely Wyckoff reaccumulation bounce from that low at around 56k. We didn't close any candles below this structure. Very nice. And like I said, for ICP, we're still hovering around the 0236. So anything around this $9.50, we just stay accumulating, guys, because soon this is going to make its way up to $11 and you're going to be wishing that you were buying at 9, 8, 7, 6. Again, I will repeat this. If we break below this, we're looking for around an $8 to $7 ICP. But if Bitcoin does decide it wants to break out, if this Bitcoin conference is super bullish, then I'm not too sure if we're going to be getting those lows again. It looks like the bottom is in for sure. Maybe we could print a higher low and then start to go on from there, but I don't think we're going to be getting that $5 ICP anytime soon. So this is super bullish, guys. It's playing out exactly how we expected it to play out. We're coming up to accumulation 2 at the max of a 15x at around $10. We're basically at a max 15x to that $150 target that we are aiming for, guys. And again, if you guys want to be trading with me, then make sure you use my Blowfin link in the description. They're actually giving 15% cash back right now, and you can actually win up to $7,500 in bonuses. They're giving you guys an extra $2,500 on the regular sign up, and then you've also got all of these challenge rewards, which are pretty standard. And on top of that, for partnering with my channel, guys, they're actually giving you back rewards for your trading volume, so you can win anywhere between an Apple Watch all the way up to a Tesla Model 3. Yes, through signing up through my link, guys. So make sure you go and sign up today, get to trade in today, and make sure you are setting yourself up to win some awesome prizes. But that's it, guys. I'm going off to watch the UFC now. Let me know who you think's going to win the fights in the comments if you're a UFC fan. And again, if you got this far and you want to support the channel, please be sure to smash that like button, drop me a sub. I'm gonna see you next week. Peace, guys.